Hi guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are gonna be talking about primers, and I have quite a few primers with me. So this video was requested by one of my subscribers, and to all the people who are looking for good primers or they want options in primers, so it's kind of a mini review of every product and like formula and everything like related to the product. So you should know like what primer you are investing in. So without wasting time, let's just start the video. So the first primer I have is a Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. This is dewy one. So this is how it looks like. So this is firstly cruelty free, and I have this dewy, but it's also available in the matte one, and it's so affordable, like it's very affordable. So I'll mention the price and everything in the description box, and where it's available that will be also in the description box. So first of all, why I love this primer is because it has this big opening, and I love the finish of it. So it seems that it's tinted, but it's not tinted, and if you will apply, it will leave the dewy finish as if you have applied some body glitter or something like that. So I'll show you my both hands. This hand has nothing and this hand has primer, and you can see the difference. Like here the primer is there, so you can see the difference between the hands, and let it dry and then apply makeup and you will get a dewy finish like so. This is highlighter, but the finish is same, like you get very sexy sweaty look, and those people who love dewy base or dewy finish, this primer is perfect. I have even tried the matte one. It's great, and both the primers works amazing. Let me know if you want me to do swatch or like a full review of the product. So the second primer I have is aloe vera gel. I have talked about this product in one of my videos, but this use is completely different. So like when I was in my beginning days, like when I started learning makeup and when I started doing my makeup, I used to use aloe vera gel. Like even if you want your makeup to last long, you can use aloe vera gel, because first it works great as a primer, and second it has so many good things for your skin. So you can do a skincare, like your skin gets really nice pampering with makeup. So this makes more sense. So I have used so many aloe vera gels with different brands, like of different brands, but this is amazing. This works well of like with anything. So yeah, this is from the Premium Nature, and it is something like this. You can find this on Amazon, and you can use any aloe vera gel according to your convenience and according to your budget, but I think this is great. I'll also mention few of my favorite aloe vera gels in the description box, so make sure you don't miss it. And let's just jump into the third primer. So this is from Urban Color. This is Ultimate Radiance Primer. This is how it is, and this is slightly on expensive side, so I am going from budget friendly to expensive. So this is of a silicone consistency, and it's like almost finished, you can say. So this lasted really long for me. I'm using it since 1 year now, and it's amazing primer. It locks your pores, like it blurs out your pores, and it has silicone consistency. It's a plain primer, so it is something like this. It's like a transparent primer, and it is something like this. So, and it's very smooth. It has like a silicone texture, and it will soften your skin, like it will give a soft texture, and it will help you last your makeup for a really long time. Like say if you are working or if you are going to an event, this is to die for. Like, it's worth every penny. So yeah. And the last primer I have is from Arnive. So this is how it is. This is also slightly on expensive side, and it has really fancy, cute, and you know, like very attractive packaging. So it comes with a pump like this. So this is like really convenient to the person who is using, and it has pump so you can control the amount you want. So usually I take 2 pumps and it lasts my makeup all day long. Like, be it like even if I'm working, or even if I'm out for shoots, or even if I'm out for events, this works amazing. So I will link it in the description box. And it's baby pink colored primer, but it's not really, it won't show it on your skin. It's very greasy and oily, so the texture is very different from the normal primers. And I'll show you how it performs. So I'll take 1 pump on the back of my hand, and this is how it is. So it's like smooth in the beginning, and it's slightly greasy, so you have to rub gently but very nicely. And this is how it is. It gives healthy glow. It's not completely dewy and it's not completely matte. It's somewhere in between, but it doesn't have the glittery or shimmery shiny tint to it. It's normally like you have applied very creamy moisturizer. It's something like that, but it helps you last your makeup long. So for those of you who don't like fragrances, it's really good option. So yeah, I think this was it, and I hope this video was helpful. And let me know if you want me to do more such videos. Comment down below and let me know what is your favorite primer, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye, take care. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I have so much more amazing stuff coming, and please keep watching my videos.